Okay, so for Chapter 8, Principles of Management, we basically talked about strategic planning and thinking. The concept of strategic management is like looking at the future, so like decision making. Managers must make good decisions to have a more positive outcome in the future. And then seeing the big picture as well. And it is important for managers to set plans, but they also have to like make a plan on how they're going to achieve goals. There's 3 levels, and we start with the corporate level, which is like when an organization as a whole and combination of business units. And an example of that would be like diversity in the workplace and like bringing new ideas, so like maybe partnerships with other businesses. And then for business level, we have it pertains to each business unit or product line, so that's like an example of that would be differentiation, bringing new things in, different things. And then functional level, that's like pertains to the major functional departments within the business unit. That's like creating new products. And then we have strategy formulation and strategy execution. So the formulation is like decision making and planning, and the execution part of it is like the use of managerial tools to direct resources toward accomplishing strategic results. And then we have SWOT analysis. That's like audit of internal and external factors. So that's like strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, threats. And they get the information from doing like surveys, meetings, and etc. So first we have strengths. That's like broad geographic distribution. And then we have weaknesses, which is high debt load. And then opportunities, expand customer service experience. And then threats, intense competition may push for price cuts. And then managers must identify all these strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, threats to make better decisions for the business and the future. And then we have competitive strategies. First one is differentiation. That's like distinguishing products and services. An example of that is like when a business wants to stand out and bring more customers in. And then we have cost leadership. That's like aggressively seek efficient facilities, cost reductions, and cost controls. So like you would use that like when you reduce costs to gain more customers. And then we have focus, which is concentration on a specific region or buyer. And that's like when a business wants to target a certain group of customers. And then things that, like the factors that make an organization fail would be like, some examples would be like too much competition, misunderstanding customers' needs, high cost, and not being able to adapt very quickly in the workplace. And then elements for putting strategies into action would be like open communication, motivating employees, leadership, being a leader in the workplace, and evaluating performance. And that is Chapter 8 for Principles of Management.